Yeah, what's up, man? This is your boy one more time talking. Based on this video we've been shooting all this while, man, to show people the power of what is possible, man. See, I know everybody remember this trade, the USD JPY that I took. Just took it on Thursday, holding it till Friday, and see what we got. And in the morning, about 6 hours, I told people this was 400. Now see 400 has been doubled to 700, and this is what is going on right now. We're getting a small retracement. You know, this retracement is coming to give us a new entry of today. And today is Friday. I don't trade on Friday. So what that means is, because this retracement is going to give us a new entry of today around somewhere here or here, here or here. Then what that means is this is where we're going to end this thing for this week. We just put this entry yesterday. And this is where we are today. You can see it again. This is your boy showing you something. Those entries, you cannot see them anymore because the price have pulled them. They have gone they have gone below the price itself. So, they have gone below the price. That's why you cannot see them anymore on the chart. This is the power of holding a trade. When you know where the price is going, and it will definitely go there. Let me show you something. I always like to show people that, look, this is real account, not a fake one. I love to show people this type of things. Okay, I love it. I don't like I'm hiding anything. You understand? That's nice. Okay, the purpose of this video is only to show you what is possible. Look at the trade. Look at the date it was opened. Date opened. Okay, was open on the 4 of, or is it on the 4 of 6 or what? Yeah, on the 4 of 6, on the 4th of June, yesterday. And today is Friday 5. Friday 5 is today. Friday, June 5. So we've been holding this for a couple of, let's say, is about 12 hours now of holding this. As you can see, 12 hours. 12 hours is just one day, and there's 24 hours in one day. 12 hours. Now, this is the power of what is possible. It's just about people, what you want to do. When you know what you want to do, there is no result that is difficult to achieve. Okay, you will achieve any result. This result you see is just in 12 hours. 12 hours. I've done it many times. I do it every day, and I still continue to do this. The strategy I use for doing this still remain the strategy I use every day. Okay. The reason for the video is just to prove, because I know when somebody doubts me and say, oh, that is fake, this is why I came into showing it. Look, is this fake? real. I came into showing it as a live proof while it is happening, not while it ended and I took picture. No, while it is happening right in front of us. You can see the figures changing. You see it's moving. So while it is happening, okay, from what this one is doing now, this one is showing a pullback. There's a pullback happening now. Okay, but that doesn't affect me. I know the pullback is just going to give an entry of today, and later today we see a big spike up. But today is Friday. I don't always get involved on trading on Friday, so I think this is where I'm gonna end this trade today right now, and I go prepare for next week to enjoy my weekend. So I just show you guys the power of what is possible, and you guys have a wonderful weekend. This trade, I'll put it off after this video. Thank you. Happy weekend.